Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make one pot beef and vegetable stew. You have your carrots, your beef, your potatoes, celery, and onions, and then you also have your herbs, which is rosemary and thyme. All right, so you chop up all your vegetables and your beef. You cut it up in small pieces, your potatoes as well, and in a pot you add your olive oil. Okay, heat up the olive oil in the pan, and then you add your cut up beef. And then to that beef you add your salt, your chicken seasoning or beef seasoning. You also add some pepper. You're going to cook this till all the beef is brown in color, and then once that is brown in color, you add your vegetables. At that time you can add your minced garlic, your celery, your onions. Okay. So you just stir at this time to make sure that all the beef is done. I'm going to put the details of everything I used in this recipe in the description below. Don't forget to add your onions. So at this time you add your onions, your minced garlic, carrots, celery. Okay. And then once that is done, you're going to let this cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. When that is cooked for 4 to 5 minutes, then you add your tomato paste. Okay. All right, and then you add your cut up potato. I'm using the Korean sweet potato with this, but you can use any potato you want. Okay, you add your herbs, your thyme, and your rosemary to this. You're gonna add 2 cups of beef broth to this recipe. Once that is done, you're going to mix this and bring to a boil. Once that is brought to a boil, you're going to let it simmer for 45 minutes to an hour till it's cooked. Okay, and then once it's done, this is what it looks like when it's done. Please comment below and let me know if you've tried it. This is an easy recipe. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.